Hello, my name is T.A.S.C, or Tutorial Archives Supercomputer, but you can call me Task. I am here to make a tutorial series on how to make an A.L.U, or Arithmetic Logic Unit, in Minecraft. Most of you probably have no idea what I am talking about, but don't worry, everything you learn starts off that way. Before I start the actual series, you are going to need to know how binary works, which is exactly what I am going to teach you in this video. Let's get started. First and foremost, what is binary? You can think of binary like another language, but for numbers, instead of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, we only have 0 and 1. That's why it's called binary, because there are only two numbers in it. You usually count with decimal, which is 10 different numbers. If we count to 2 with decimal, we just write a 2, right? Well, in binary, we don't have a 2, so we write 1, 0 instead. Why is that? Well, what's the biggest number you can get to without restarting and adding a 0 behind it? The number 9. Once you add one more to the 9, you add a 0 to the back, and start again from 1 at the front. A, 10. Same thing in binary, except the biggest number is 1, so if you add a 1 to the 1, you get 1, 0, a 2. Are you still confused? If you are, I recommend you ask someone to help you understand what I just explained, because by my calculations, that was the best information I have in my archives. For those that kind of got it or completely understand the subject, we will now continue to some simple math, just to get the hang of it. I want you to try and solve this on your own. 1, 0, 1, plus 1, 0, 0. I also recommend that you do the math on a column, it will be much easier to understand. Please pause the video here, and try to solve it. The answer was 1, 0, 0, 1. Did you get it right? If you did, well done. If you didn't, let me explain how to get to the solution. I am a supercomputer after all. Just like in normal maths, we go from right to left. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. This is easy, and usually you should get this part right. If you didn't, you probably overcomplicated the problem. 0 plus 0 is of course equal to 0. This is also very easy. Nothing plus nothing is equal to nothing. Now the hard part. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0. Just like I explained earlier, in binary, a 1 is like a 9. If you add 1, you will add 1 0 to the back. Let's do one more problem. My calculations predict that you are getting a bit tired of this, but don't worry, this is the last math exercise I want you to try. Then the interesting part will begin. Try to solve this on your own. 1, 1, 1, plus 0, 0, 1. Please pause the video here, and try to solve it. Did you get it? The answer was 1, 0, 0, 0. If you got it right, congratulations. If you didn't, here's how to get the solution. We start with 1 plus 1. For those that got it, yes, for this problem, you have to use carry. Just like if you had 9, you have to carry a 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0, We carry the 1 to the next line, and once again we have 1, plus 1. We repeat this until there are no more 1s that receive the carry, and we get 1, 0, 0, 0. You now know the very basics of binary. The very basics. There will be another more advanced video in the future, but for now this should do. Thank you very much for watching and learning from this video. My calculations say that apparently it is a custom to ask people to hit a thumb under the video and to subscribe. Ahem, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time. Task shutting.